Hey, what's up guys, hope you're all feeling well. So finally the December update is now available for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So today in this video I will show you guys that how you guys can update it. So simply go into the settings, then tap on software update, then you have to tap on download and install. From here you will get to see the new September update available for your device. So it is a security patch update, and if we talk about the update size, so it is 490 MB in size with a security patch level of December 1st, 2025. So it will fix all the bugs and issues that were there before, and it will improve the security of your device. First of all, you will have to download this update. Then once the update is downloaded, you will have to install it. Now keep in mind that when you will install this update, your device will restart and it might take a while to install it. So make sure to install it when your device is completely free, as you will be unable to use your device during this installation process. By the way, let me know in the comment section below that have you got this December update on your Galaxy S24 Ultra or not yet. You will get to see an interface like this when the update is installing, and once the update is installed, your device will automatically restart. Now if we talk about the OneUi 8.5 update, so the OneUi 8.5 update beta version is now rolling out for the Galaxy S25 series. While if we talk about the official update, so the official update will be released in the early 2026. It will most probably come with the Galaxy S26 series, and then it will be released for the S25, and then you can get to see this update on your Galaxy S24 series. So most probably, according to the rumors, you might get to see this update on your Galaxy S24 Ultra in the month of Feb, or it might get delayed further as well. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was the latest news regarding the OneUi 8.5 update and the new December update. If you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe.